Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove Zoho Mail account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll need to log in to your Zoho account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see your profile picture or your name displayed. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. And from this menu, you're going to select the option that says My Account. This will take you to a new screen where you'll be able to manage various aspects of your Zoho account. On the My Account page, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll need to click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings section, seek out the option that reads Close Account. This is a crucial step as once you click Close Account, the process to confirm the deletion begins. Zoho will guide you through a few on-screen instructions. Be prepared to provide a reason for your account closure, as this information helps companies like Zoho improve their services. Follow the prompts carefully. If at any point you're unsure or wish to cancel the operation, remember that you can back out before final confirmation. Once you've confirmed and enter your password, and then finish the process, you can rest easy knowing your account closure was successful. And there you have it. So that is how you can remove Zoho Mail account. So that's all for this video. Thanks.